Hey guys, welcome back! Today we're making tteokbokki, Korea's most iconic street food. It's addicting and so easy to make. Let's get started. This is the star ingredient, Korean rice cake, which is available at any Korean market. It's not necessary to soak it, but you definitely want to rinse with water a couple times. The sauce is really simple. Gochujang, gochugaru to add more spice, sugar, pepper, soy sauce, and garlic. How do you like yours? Spicy or really spicy? I'm adding fish cake, which is optional, but it adds extra flavor and texture. I'm cutting them into triangles, but you can slice them however you like. And chop the veggies bite-size. I'm starting with 3 cups of water and flavor with Hondashi. Then the sauce mixture goes in. Bring to a boil. Then everything goes in. Simmer for 4 to 5 minutes. Lastly, the green onions. What would you add to yours? Ramen, cheese, or something else? Let me know in the comments. As the sauce thickens, scrape the bottom as you stir. Wow, no wonder tteokbokki is world famous. It's savory, sweet, and comforting. The fish cake is soft but chewy and goes well with ice-cold beer. Hope you guys try this very simple recipe and let me know how it goes. See you at the next one.